loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Yes, and today I'm very excited because I have very something special thing to share with you. Yes, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And in today's video I'm gonna share with you about this product. This is the Minimalist 10% niacinamide plus zinc serum. Yes, well, first of all, this video isn't sponsored by Minimalist or like anything else. I bought this product myself. I tried it for about 2 months continuously, and I will show in this video, and I will talk about this product, like how the product is, what is it for, how it works, and how was my personal experience with this product. And also I will show you how my skin was before and how is it now after the use of this product. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Well, starting by talking about the brand, well, this product is by the brand Be Minimalist, as you all know, and this brand came new to India about a year ago, if I'm not wrong. And at the beginning, some people really criticized them and trolled them for copying like the brand Ordinary, but I really didn't care at all. I supported them then and I still support them now because they really make great products. And what I most like is, at first, this is a active based skincare brand, so you can choose the exact product what your skin is according to your skin type, what your skin problem is. So you can choose the right product very easily. And the most important thing is they disclose the whole ingredients list in their every product, which is very important. At first I also didn't care about the ingredients list, like that list is so long, who is gonna read that? But it is very important, you guys, because you have to read it carefully and you have to know what your skin is taking deep into and what the ingredients list are. So this thing I like the most about this brand. Now coming back to the product, you will get this cardboard packaging. This comes in such packaging, you can see, and when you open this, you will get another cardboard package, so the product will be safe. I really like this feature. And when you will open this, you will get, oh, it's not coming out, you will get such kind of dropper bottle. Well, at first the bottle used to be totally transparent, but now they changed their packaging, but the formula is still same. It is now all black. The dropper looks like this. As you can see, I don't have much product left, you guys, so I mentioned it in my empties video, but I have already ordered it one more because I totally love this product. And you will get 30 ml of product for Rs 5.99, but I think it is worth it because it will last you about 2 months long at least. Well, so in this product, it is a 10% niacinamide serum. It means that there is the amount of niacinamide is 10%, which is like the perfect amount that we need for our skin. Well, niacinamide is a very stable ingredient in the list of actives, and there is no such risk that it can harm your skin or make you break out. But some people can really experience purging in the beginning, but it means that if you purge, that the product is working for you. But in my case, I didn't experience any purging. Well, this product really worked great from the beginning, but some people can experience that. Well, that is not a bad sign. Now coming back, what this product claims is that well, where is the packaging? Yes, a nourishing daily serum packed with pure vitamin B3 and antibacterial mineral zinc that boosts the dermal immunity, keeping your skin resilient and healthy. The combination reduces acne marks and controls sebum and oil. Well, in my case, this exactly did that. Well, I'm not a super oily skin type girl, so I can't tell you about the controlling oil, but I'm a normal skin type girl, normal with acne prone combination, which is a weird combination. But yes, this totally helped with my improving my skin texture and my acne, and it really faded my acne marks. And also the oil of my face from the beginning was normal, and it is still now normal. Okay, so coming back, how to use this, I followed what steps are written into the packaging. So there is written that you have to use it twice a day, like an AM and in PM. So I followed it exactly. Well, first of all, talking about any product, well, yes, I love this product, but it can't also work, might not work for you. Every skin type is different, every skin problem is different, every product works differently on every skin. So make sure you patch test it before using on your whole face. Now coming back, I used it after my shower and before going to bed, after cleansing my face totally. Then I applied this serum and then I topped it up with a moisturizer. Now I will show you how I did it. Okay, so here is my bare naked face. As you can see, I have completely washed it with the face wash that I usually use. And now moving on to the serum. Well, you have to have completely dried down face, well, not a single drop of water, because the water neutralizes the niacinamide. So if you have a wet skin or like damp skin, so it won't work. So keep that in mind. Your hands and your face should be totally dried. Now moving on, I am taking this much of the serum. Well, I don't have much product left, so like this much. I have taken like 4 to 5 drops. That's enough for my face. And now I will apply it on all over my face, and I will apply the dabbing motion and tap my skin to help my skin to absorb all the goodness of the serum. Okay, so now once the serum is absorbed, like after 1 to 2 minutes, I am using my usual moisturizer on the top of it. I'm taking this much. I have taken a very little amount. This is enough for my face, and I will apply it all over my face. I will also tap the lotion on my skin to help my skin absorb it. So guys, here is my face after the application of the serum. You can see I have finished with my favorite lip balm, and you can see already the glow in my skin. My skin looks so much more healthy and more plump. So that is how the serum looks like after the application on your skin. Okay, so you already saw how I used to use this product. Now coming back, how my experience was. Yes, as I mentioned before, I am a really acne prone skin type girl, and I suffered it for a long time. So I have suffered it from my teenage and like when I was in 7th grade. And I have used many products. I have tried the affordable ones, the expensive ones, the overhyped ones, and also the best reviewed ones. Well, sometimes it didn't work at all, and sometimes it even worsened my acne. But then I used this product, and you guys, I tried it for the first time on 28th April, and what is the date today? Maybe 23rd of June. It is almost 2 months, not like a full round 2 months, but I will put a before and after picture here so you can see how my skin looked like before. And I also will give the next clips that how my skin changed by using the product. So now you can see how my skin was before. And now, as you guys already saw the drastic change into my skin, I can proudly say that I absolutely love this baby. Yes, this is my jam right now. I can't really do without this product, but I will still say that patch test it before you use it all over your face, because every skin type is different. As I mentioned before, a product might work for me, not for you, and a product might work for you, not for me. So patch test it. Now, do I recommend this? Yes, you guys already know the answer. Well, niacinamide is a very safe ingredient, so it is not like the AHA BHA one, so you can also use it outside. But you have to top it up with a good moisturizer or cream or facial oils, whichever is your favorite and suits you. And you have to use a sunscreen to go outside. Well, that is a must have if you use this or not. And other than that, I rate this 100 out of 10 because I absolutely love this product. This, like, I suffered from acne a lot, like this much that I couldn't even think that I can get rid of that in future, but this baby made me believe in that. So yes, this is a thumbs up from my side, and thank you to Minimalist for bringing this kinds of product for girls like us, because we suffer from acne a lot. And this product is safe for if you are dry skin type or oily skin type or acne prone skin type. No matter what, this is safe for every skin type. And yes, not only preventing in acne or acne marks, this is also for great to like improve the skin texture. Some people have really a bumpy or uneven texture into their skin or like pores, so this product also worked for me, like in the matter of that. I also had some uneven texture on my skin, but now the texture of my skin is really better, and as you guys saw, the marks are already fading, and I really have rarely 2 to 1 breakouts, which is very normal to in human skin. But other than that, this product really helped me, and I really love this product. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big thumbs up. Well, I personally myself enjoyed doing this video because this was a brutally honest review, and I totally love this product, so I enjoyed doing this video for you guys. Well, you can comment down below what kind of videos you want more from me. That would be a lovely thing to do for you guys. And you can also follow me on social media. I will put my ID right up here so you can follow me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.